नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, मैं हूं अंकित। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से म्यूजिकल रिव्यूअर में। Sometimes I think what factors leads you to fall in love with your favorite actor or actress, or how you simply drool over their charm. Well, some drools over the face, or you can say the eye, or some say it's the physique. But since it's February and from tomorrow on the Valentine week getting started, let's talk about the acting with reference to the eternal word love. So tell me honestly, in how many ways an actor show you the perfect romanticism? I know you're starting counting the ways. You can say a mesmerizing love story, charismatic romantic role, having powerful mannerism in heart-wrenching dialogue delivery, quite a few romantic songs. But seriously, can you imagine by just walking 8 to 10 steps in a snowfall with that ravishing smile can easily show you the perfect romanticism in its uttermost existence ever happened? Hard to believe? Watch it. So now I can easily say that I know the reason, the real reason behind the prefix added to his name, darling, because he is the one. I mean, just look at the scene again and again. As the quote itself said, you have know the man, but it's time to know his heart. You shall witness love in this Valentine, because a much awaited Radhe Shyam's teaser is going to launch on 14th Feb. It's an utmost pleasure for singles also, because this versatile piece of creation named Prabhas brings you the different era of love, showing different persona of himself, proving that versatility is his synonym by bringing a movie to you whose name itself shows you a love story, Radhe Shyam, which is timeless, limitless, countless amount of love absorbed in it. And at last the BGM, the piano score, with Prabhas walking in that mesmerizing manner, is magnificent enough to stole your heart and take it forever. So I know, just like me, the anticipation level is at peak now, but don't worry, go and watch the teaser announcement video again and again. You witness the beauty. And lastly, at 14th Feb, we witness the beautiful actor, film and whole concept of the story. So be with me, क्योंकि 14th Feb को हाजिर होंगे आपके सामने इस टीजर रिएक्शन के साथ। इसके साथ ही दृश्यम 2 का भी ट्रेलर हो गया है लॉन्च और उसका रिएक्शन जल्द ही होगा आपके सामने। स्टे ट्यून। बाकी आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही। ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट में मुझे जरूर बताइएगा। अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइए। इंस्टाग्राम पे आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग्स और मेडली सुनने के लिए। किसी और फिल्म के रिव्यू और एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए भी आप मुझे कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं। तो फिर मिलेंगे किसी नए दिन किसी नए रिव्यू एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।